Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for joining me in another video. Today I will be taking you guys on our adventure to Apple Hill Orchard and Cider Mill, which is located in Morganton, North Carolina. I will be giving you guys a quick tour and overview of what to expect. Definitely add this place to your bucket list of fall activities with your family, and let's get right into it. Okay, so when you first arrive, the first place you're going to walk through is the gift shop, and this gift shop is full of fun, different items that you can purchase. They have goat milk lotions, they have jams, they have honey, they have all kinds of really cool souvenirs from the apple orchard. They have this apple peeler, which my husband was just ecstatic about. They also have hats and shirts and home decor that you can take with you, as well as those adorable little apple baskets if you're planning on sharing the apples that you're picking. In addition to, they have some pretty cool stuff in the gift shop section for the kids, so you can definitely pick something up for the children while you're there. So another thing that I thought was really neat about this orchard is they do provide you with a wagon. So if you do get one of the bigger baskets, and obviously you don't want to carry it around, they do have wagons. They're first come, first serve. We ended up bringing our own collapsible wagon that we had, so we only had to get another one for my parents. On this adventure, we went with my parents and my sister and then our kiddos as well, and it was such a blast. The orchard is so well set up. They have signs and directions as far as where to go and where to pick. In addition to, they do have signs where there's the apples are not ripe yet, so they are closed off, so you are only getting the best and most ripe apples that they have to offer, which I really liked. Oh, gently! Oh, gently! No worries, guys. We're definitely turning that bruised apple into some apple cider. But my daughter had such a great time picking these apples. She just turned 3. Oh, well, actually, she's going on 4. Boy, time flies by. She is 3 years old, and she had the best time picking apples. We did have to teach her to be gentle at times because she was just kind of chucking them into the basket. But we had such a great time. My sister, who is 11, also had a great time picking the apples. She was more particular as far as what they look like, whereas my daughter was just picking the ones closest to her, which was pretty much the ones closest to the ground. But she had such a great time. It was such an adventure for her. I definitely recommend this trip for people who have kids, maybe starting at 2. We did take our baby, and our baby also had an amazing time. We kind of just pulled her in the wagon, but I do have to say, you will see later on, my baby's favorite part of this trip was just munching on the apples. She loved the apples, and I was actually pretty surprised that she could just take an apple and eat it. So you guys will see that later on. And this is my toddler. She's so cute. This is the part where she learned how to be a little bit more gentle. And this is my girls picking apples. Here is a little bit of footage of my little infant. She is just picking the apple up and eating it, which is crazy to me because she is only 10 months. But what we did is we kind of like took a first bite so she would only get the inside part, not the peeling. But it was a pretty great time for her as well. She enjoyed snacking the entire time, so it was an all-around win-win for everybody, including my infant. Now we went here in it is still August. It's the end of August, so the apples that were in season at this point were the Honeycrisp and the Gala. They did have some green apples as well that were open, so we did pick some of those. But as far as your selection of apples, you can go online and they will tell you a schedule of what apple is in season. She's eating a little stem now.
Oh, she just wanted to eat an apple.
Is that good?
I want to eat an apple.
You want an apple too?
Okay.
Here you go. You can have this apple.
Okay.
Take a bite.
Grab pick it.
Oh, Arabella, you pick that one.
That one's hard.
Pick it. Yeah, pull it. Good job. Put it in the basket.
All right, and just to give you guys some pricing information in case you want to prepare for that, in order to actually pick, you do have to buy a pick pass, which costs $3 per person, 2 years old and up. 2 years and under, you don't have to pay. The basket that we have in this particular video is a large basket, and it was $30. They do have other smaller options in bags if you want a more budget-friendly option. And then they also have you-pick flowers available for sale. You just have to buy the container, and I think they also give you scissors, for that, and those cost $15. So they have multiple options. It's not just apples. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. I have more content and kid-friendly adventures coming your way, and subscribe if you haven't done so, and I'll see you guys in my next one.